This is a fit for a 2017 through 2021 and possibly beyond Honda CR-V with factory installed flush side rails. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule Rapid Podium SquareBar Evo base roof rack system. The system is using the SquareBar Evo load bars, 47 inches in length, the 460R Rapid Podium foot pack, and the vehicle specific fitting kit, which includes the rubber boots, metal brackets, and fasteners to connect to the fixed points on the inner edges of the flush side rail. This is part number 3166. The bars are in a predetermined fixed location, 26 3/4 inches front to rear, center to center. Maximum weight carrying capacity, 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.